So I am making my third batch of L Reuteri Yogurt, and the first thing that I'm doing is sterilizing my glass jars. I happened to find from a store another set. These are the ones that came with my machine, but of course if you have one machine and 8 pots and you need 36 hours to make your yogurt, it's difficult. I mean, you're eating all your yogurts and then you don't have pots, and then you're a few days out of your yogurt. So that's the first thing that I'm doing. Boiling water and just putting one by one in. That's the first step. Next is I'm going to take one yogurt from my previous batch, and first I'm going to put a little bit milk. I'm using bio milk because my pot is still warm. I'm pouring just a little bit, and this is my yogurt. Look how nice and thick that is. L Reuteri Yogurt. They say use half a cup, but me, I'm putting the whole thing inside. My previous batch I used one, and I used one capsule of the L Reuteri. This time I'm going to try to not use a capsule. I'm going to just mix it well. I want to be sure that I don't have any lumps. And my eight pots for my yogurt maker are about 1.8 liters. So I'm going to put 1.8 liters. So this is one. You don't need to heat your milk because this is already heat treated. Of course, if you're using fresh milk, you have to pasteurize it, and you know, you can look it up how to pasteurize milk. But in our case, we don't have to use it. We don't have to do that. I'm using this pot where I boil the water because I know there are no bacteria there. I'm just going to do this by the eye. I'm going to use a ladle. I made a mistake not to I would say pasteurize this. I should have put this in my boiling water. Anyway, put it in your boiling water that you are sure that there are no bacteria there. So all we need to do now is just fill our pots. put the lids on. Doesn't matter that I spilled some milk from the ladle. That will rinse off with the water that I will put in the machine. If you have not seen my previous videos, look in my short videos where I show you how to actually start this without having the original yogurt. This will be my third batch, but my first batch with a previous batch yogurt. Okay, so I got my 8 pots. I put them all in the yogurt makers. I will put the water inside. Now that I placed them all in the yogurt maker, I just plug it in the power, and we are going to set a time. Set. This is the temperature flashing. I put it at 36, and now I'm going to hit start, and instead of one moment, set. Okay, and now we are doing this one. Wait, why is it doing this? 36. Okay, one moment. Let's plug this back out. First time plugging it in again. Set. We want this at 36. Start for 36 hours. Start. That's it. The two lights are red now, and it will just count down 36 hours, and then we should have our yogurt. It's 36 hours later. We'll plug it out from the machine, from the current. Let's see what they look like, but it looks good. Now we have to put them in the fridge. Let's see what the consistency looks like.
The light is always on.
pretty good consistency. Now when I'm going to put it in the fridge, it's going to get better. So if you like this video, thanks for watching, please like it.